Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs. Step into the magic of Ghibli store Canal City. Imagine stepping into a world where Totoro smiles at you, and Kiki's little black cat, Gigi, winks from a shelf. Welcome to Ghibli Guipai Donguri Fukuoka Ghibli Everywhere Donguri Republic in Canal City Hokkaido. Nestled in the bustling shopping and entertainment complex of Fukuoka, this enchanting store offers a warm, welcoming space filled with beloved Studio Ghibli characters perfect for any traveler dreaming of whimsical Japanese culture. Donguri Republic is more than just a shop, it's an immersive experience. With wood-scented interiors and shelves lined with items from My Neighbor Totoro, Kiki's Delivery Service, Spirited Away, Princess Mononoke, and Ponyo. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. It's a nostalgic treasure trove, covering everything from plush toys and stationery to tableware and unique home goods. This official Studio Ghibli licensed store began its expansion across Japan in the 2010s and reached Fukuoka in Canal City's basement, becoming a favorite destination. Originally launched by Benelli Co., the Donguri Republic chain took root in Kamakura and spread throughout Japan. The team's vision was simple: share Ghibli's nostalgic charm and rekindle the childlike wonder in every visitor. As of 2024, Fukuoka is home to 3 Donguri Republic outlets, with the Canal City location standing out for its spacious, calming design and prime central Hokkaido spot. Please like, share and subscribe. Located on the huge commercial facility Canal City Hokkaido, La Festa is a store packed full of fun attractions and delicious food. The shop was recently refurbished and reopened for business on Saturday, the 3rd of March 2018. La Festa's concept is enjoy a fun experience like nowhere else. In order to deliver on this promise, the shop offers a wide range of stock including local goods, Japanese products, as well as anime-related characters and merchandise. With so much to choose from, there is sure to be something for every kind of shopper. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Canal City Hokkaido is a large shopping and entertainment complex, calling itself a city within the city. Attractions include about 250 shops, cafes and restaurants, a theatre, cinemas, the Grand Hyatt Fukuoka and a canal running through the complex. Visitors who are planning on shopping will likely be able to find something of interest in one of Canal City's many stores, whether it be in a shop unique to Japan or a branch of an international company. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Canal City has been designed to create a spacious and interesting atmosphere with creative and unique colors and shapes. The artificial canal runs right through the middle of the 5-floored entertainment complex, creating a lot of open space. At the center of the canal there is a fountain with water shows every 30 minutes from 10 o'clock until 22 o'clock. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.